I'm going to get my hair done, so I'm gonna do like a natural kind of look today because I'm gonna be out in the sun. Oh my gosh, I forgot to apply sunscreen. Okay, I need to take this off. Okay, so I put sunscreen on and I did my brows, and since we're just doing a natural look, I'm just gonna use concealer to prime. Don't mind my hair, I'm getting it done today. It looks like such a mess, but I've been a mess lately, so it works. I'm putting more gel on my brows just to make them look more natural because they were looking like rusty. Okay, I'm gonna use the I Love palette by Sephora again, and I'm just gonna use the cream shade to set the concealer. And then I'm gonna put this light brown shade in my crease. I'm gonna wear sunglasses all day, so I'm not gonna wear lashes because there's no point. So I'm just curling my lashes, and then I'm applying mascara. And then I'm gonna apply foundation around the contour. I always contour even when I do natural looks. Go to part 2. Okay, this is part 2. I'm just applying foundation, and then we're gonna blend out the contour. This contour did not stick well. That's why I do the contour first, because it sticks better. But I applied sunscreen, so it's not sticking as good. I'm gonna put some more on. Maybe some more. Put a lot on. Blend it out again. I love full coverage foundations even when I'm gonna be in the sun. I don't know why. I think it's just because like if I'm gonna wear makeup, I'm gonna do full coverage, and if not, I feel prettier without makeup, like no makeup at all. With me, it's one or the other. Either makeup or no makeup. Make sure to blend out the neck contour really good because you'll forget it. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. I don't use powder, but I use powder bronzer.